Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Today we're making paletas. A wonderful Mexican frozen treat, just like a popsicle, with real frozen fruit inside. Delicious. Let's get started. First of all, you're going to dice a mango like so. Scoop out the squares. Then dice up a kiwi. Do the same with a pineapple. Next, we're going to blend 1 cup of diced strawberries. Making it into a puree just like so. Now do the same with the other fruit, starting with 2 diced mangoes. Lovely. 1 cup of diced pineapple next. So our popsicles are made of natural fruit puree. Very healthy. We're doing 2 cups of diced watermelon now. And our purees are ready to pour into our popsicle molds, starting with pineapple puree and layering it with pineapple chunks. Next, we're going for the watermelon. We're going to layer this one with kiwi chunks, so don't be afraid to mix and match your fruits. Next, it's mango puree, layered with mango chunks, some strawberry puree on top, and fresh strawberry chunks. When you mix and match the fruits like this, you get a wonderful variety of colours and flavours in each popsicle. Pop the lids on, and the popsicle sticks go in. And now all you need to do is freeze for 5 to 6 hours. And once they're ready, remove them from the moulds. Your beautiful pineapple popsicle. And look at that kiwi and strawberry paleta. Absolutely fantastic. Now simply serve on a bed of ice. And enjoy!